Hi, my name is Paul Liu. I'm a product manager in Power Platform Database. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to bulk delete your Power Platform users. When your users are deleted from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, the user record status is set to disable and they remain in the environment. You might want to delete them when they're no longer active in the tenant. They don't belong to the security group of the environment. They no longer have a license to use the application, or they may request to delete them. And why do you need to delete your users? You want to comply with your record retention policy, save on storage costs, and get better query performance. There are a couple of ways to delete users. Manually, one at a time, via the Power Platform Admin Center. Please see my previous video. And automatically, in bulk, using the data management bulk deletion process. To delete users, you first need to enable the feature in your environment settings feature page. Since you will be deleting users in bulk, we recommend that you enable auditing for the user table. Locate your user table and enable auditing. Save and publish. Before we get started into the bulk users delete, let's review the two user deletion stages. When the user is deleted from the tenant and after 30 days or permanently deleted from the Azure portal, the user can be soft deleted in Dataverse. When a user is soft deleted, the user record remains in the environment. The user can continue to own records. The security roles and team memberships are removed. All users' profile information is deleted, and the username continues to show up on audit record. In this stage, you saved most of the storage as lots of security-related records are deleted. The next stage is to permanently delete the soft deleted users. But first, you must reassign all the records owned by the soft deleted user. The name would no longer show on all the audit records because the user record is being deleted. To bulk delete users in Dataverse, we will be using the bulk deletion system jobs. We will create two jobs to map to the user deletion stages. On the Power Platform Admin Center portal, navigate to Settings, Data Management, and Bulk Deletion. Click on the New button, Next, and look for your user table. Next, select the views for users deleted in the tenant but exist in the environment. Click on the Preview Record button to see the list of users who are no longer in the tenant that are ready for soft delete. Click on Next and enter a job name, set the schedule time, and you might want to run the job every 30 days to map to the Azure's permanently delete user cycle, and click Next. Review and submit the job. Next, you can check on the status of your job, and it shows that there are 4 successes, meaning 4 records were being deleted. And next, we can check on who and which are the 4 records from the audit log. The audit log can be found on the environment settings page, and you can see the user deletion status. You can see the details of the soft deleted users. Please note that the user remains in the system with a disabled state. Now, the final step is to create a job to permanently delete your users. And this would be based on your record retention policy. Select the user table. In this case, you want the soft deleted user view. You can preview the records and you see those are the records that were soft deleted, and click on Next and enter a job name. Next, set a schedule time and run it. Let's take a look at the status of the job. And it shows that it's successful with 5 records being permanently deleted. And here in the audit log, you can see the 5 users being hard deleted. This concludes the demo on how to bulk delete users from the Power Platform database. Deleting and removing disabled users from the environment allows you to comply with your record retention policy, and also it allows you to save on storage costs and gives you better system performance. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our Power Platform documentation site.